Are you ready to discover how to leverage the most powerful AI tool available right now? Today, we're diving deep into how you can use ChatGPT to make money, transforming your online efforts into real income. This isn't just about theory, it's about practical strategies you can implement immediately. Many dream of financial freedom but struggle with content creation or market analysis. ChatGPT offers an unprecedented shortcut, automating tasks that used to take hours. Imagine generating compelling scripts, marketing copy, or even business ideas in minutes. If you've ever wondered how to make money on YouTube, ChatGPT is your secret weapon. It can help you brainstorm viral video topics, write engaging titles and descriptions, and even craft entire video scripts. This dramatically speeds up your content production, allowing you to publish more consistently. Think about the time saved on research and outlining. With ChatGPT, you can optimize your videos for search, ensuring more people discover your content. This is crucial for building an audience and unlocking monetization opportunities faster than ever before. The power of AI extends far beyond just video creation. You can use ChatGPT to develop digital products, write ebooks, or even create online courses. This is your chance to start making passive income streams that work for you 24/7. Imagine building an entire online business with AI as your co-pilot. From crafting sales funnels to customer service responses, ChatGPT streamlines every aspect. This allows you to focus on strategy and growth, not just endless manual tasks. The potential for ChatGPT to make money on YouTube and across other platforms is immense. But knowing how to prompt it effectively and integrate it into a profitable workflow is key. This isn't just about asking questions, it's about mastering a new skill. We've created a comprehensive course designed to guide you through every step. It reveals the exact strategies and prompts we use to generate income with AI. Click the link below to access our masterclass and unlock your full earning potential today.